94 her total at the moment. Two to come in the clean and jerk. See the opener again. Well, she made that very easy indeed. Just 3 kilograms shy of her clean and jerk personal best. Now on 294, her personal best total is 296, so she should exceed that. Perhaps top 300 for the first time. You see the delight from the coaches and from Park. 21-year-old going great guns on her Olympic debut. So Lee Wen still to lift in terms of an opener at 170. That's her opener at the moment. So Tyson Lapper now, her third attempt is 165. She'll add 10 to her total if successful. He's the American.
Kaya ko sa kalit ka mo. Hindi dadat ko yung ko ito. Ano yung